So over here, you can see that I have a blank Prezi design page right here. And now if you want to go around and then let's say, for example, you have something like a text. So let me just go around and insert this out right here. So let's say you want to zoom in. What you can do is you can hold Control on your keyboard and use the scroll mouse button to zoom in. So that is one of the things that you can do. Over here, you can see the zoom in percentage. So what you can do is you can press the minus button to zoom out and click on the plus button to zoom in. Alternatively, you can go around and click on fit to screen. So all the design fits in one screen. And over here, you also have the full screen option over here, as you can see. In my case, it is already in full screen. So you can go around over here onto the drop down menu as well, and you can zoom in and zoom out from over here as well. Click on zoom out, zoom in right here, and that is how you can work around with this. So that is what you can do. And over here, you can see that the page is in a certain size. And if you want to resize it, you can go around onto the top, onto the left, click and drag. And what happens is that you can see you can resize out the document just like that. So just go around, click and drag this around right here. And there you go. That is how you can resize out the design right here. So for the navigation on the left side, you have the tools. On the right side, you have like the option for that particular tool right here. So that is what you can do. And that is how you can navigate around, and you can zoom in, zoom out right here in certain portions, as you can see inside of Prezi Design. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.